Here's how to play Part of Your World from The Little Mermaid. We're looking at an acoustic guitar tutorial for this, and if you like Disney songs, I've left a full playlist of all the Disney songs I've done for both guitar and piano through the years. Full playlist down below, it's at the top of the description. Let's have a look at this great song. Don't bore us, get to the chorus. Capo 5th fret puts this in the key of C major, and the chorus goes, I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see him dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Feet. And if you can play those chords, you can play this song. Let's have a look at those in more detail. We've got the C major chord, which with capo at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret. I'll leave a link to my Andy Guitar signature capo as well in the description. We ship these worldwide and they're super cheap. We got C major, E minor. Then we've got however you want to play an F. Now, if you're a total beginner, F major 7, kind of like a C major, is absolutely fine. If you want to go for the full big bad F bar chord, that's great. I really like to go for this hybrid, and you're going to see me do this a lot in this video. I'm going to be using this. The thumb doesn't need to ring out, but the other fingers are basically the same as an F bar chord, but we're only barring, so holding down the thinnest 2 strings. I'm going to then go for a G chord played like this. This is exactly the same as this way of playing a G, but it's much easier, once you're used to it, to change to the C major chord. Definitely recommend this. I nickname it the George Harrison G, because he used to play it like this a lot, George Harrison from the Beatles. And the progression goes C major, E minor, F, G, then we have an A minor, which is the only other main chord in this song. A minor, E minor, again F and G. So it's that same progression starting on a C major and then starting on an A minor. Shall we play that together? Full chorus? Let's do it. C major. In 1, 2, 3, 4, C major, then E minor, F major and G major, A minor, walking around on those, what do you call them? Feet. And G, same again. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along on those, what's that word again? Street. Alright, we're slightly tricky a bit now, but it's the best bit of the song. This is so good. We have C major to a C7, F major, and then F minor. So for F major to F minor, we can do it this hybrid way. If you're unsure of, or you just want to do the beginner way, just play F major twice. We can do a no other cheating way to do an F minor apart from maybe this. Maybe 3 fingers in a row like this. There you go, there's my really cheaty F minor. It's not cheating, it's just enabling beginners to do it, really. And this is for the big bit of the song. This is for the up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world. So that's the trickiest bit of the song. Other than that, it's basically the same as what we did for the pre-chorus. The very start of the song, though, starts on an F chord. And it's got this little melody which we can learn, but basically an F major to a G. Which it would be really nice if we could do this F major 7, sliding up forward to a G, kind of basically the same as you might play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Whatever you do in that song, do the same here basically. And then we have, look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? E minor to A minor. Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? That's a D7, you could just go for a D major if you wanted. I've linked to a chord sheet at the top of this description down below. I forgot to mention that at the start, sorry. But it's the same as this one that I'm looking at here, so we can follow it together. And you can even print these chord sheets for free. Just copy and paste it into some sort of Word document. You can print chord sheets for free, it's great. Same as that again, from the F chord. Look at this trove, treasures untold. So this is going to the F to the G that I did before. You choose your preference for these chords. I'm just showing a variety. Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one have and hold? E minor, A minor. Looking around here you'd think, sure, she's got everything. D major's fine if you don't want to go for the D7. I think this is an F chord. This chord sheet I'm linked to here has an A minor here. I'm pretty sure it's an F chord. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. This is like guitars, isn't it? But who cares? No big deal. I want more guitars. Just to play that one again. A minor, you want thingamabobs? I got 20. A minor, who cares? No big deal. I want, and then kind of clever bit here, G sus4. That's a G major with the first finger, and then 2 open. So that's first finger where it would be on a C. G sus4. I want more. Gives it a nice little sustain. And then we get to the chorus, which we did already. Of course, the chorus says, I want to be where the people are. I want, I want, I want. This is an I want song. This is what Howard Ashman brought to the Disney lore. Just singing, I want to be where the people are. And that's using Broadway musical structure, which I'm really big fan of. So let's put some strumming to this. What we're going to do for the strumming pattern, easiest one you could go for is just down, down, up, down, of course. And if I just kind of strummed it, I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see him dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? So of course that works. It really turns it into a pop song though, which this isn't. This is more of a Broadway song. So the real difference we want to add to this to make it a little bit more Broadway rather than just pop song is just adding dynamics. Starting off quiet, making certain strums louder, pausing on certain strums. Give it some dynamics. Quiet and loud bits and a little bit stop and start, but the right hand's generally always going down, down, up, down, no matter what we're playing. Let me show you how that works. Let's have a bit of a slow playthrough now. Join in if you wish. 2, 3, 4. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you'd think, sure she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. Pause to slide the chord sheet down. On the C major, 2, 3, 4. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see him dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling around on a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world. Then we're on to the next section, the bridge. And we have the same kind of progression as the verse again. Slightly tweaked, but the same kind of progression. Let's go from there, from the bridge. 1, 2. What would I give if I could live out of these waters. What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Bet you on land they understand that they don't reprimand. That one's at E major, E minor, E major, A minor. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. One bar chord, B flat, first fret, A-shaped bar chord. We covered this in my intermediate course. If you can't do that, just stay D major to G. And then the pre-chorus from the C major. 2, 3, 4. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask 'em my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it, what's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above, out of the sea? Wish I could be part of that world. Let's have a look at this bit now. Okay, so this is based around that F shape that we did earlier. And we got open, pick, second fret, where it is on a F major 7 anyway. And then on the third string, 0, 2, 4 to 3 on the second string.